Yes.
Hello,
go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. Is a question about another Melachah. If is it allowed to use hair protection for construction during Shabbat or Yom Tov for avoiding the noise?
What's that? What kind of protection? I didn't get it.
Hair protection for the ears?
From the hair?
No, the ears.
Ears. Okay, ears. Okay.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Or ear plugs? Ear plugs they put in the ear?
No, like those that is used in construction. Big protection for the ears.
Like this, like big one, the muffs?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Yeah, got it. Yes, I saw them.
Yeah. Thank you, Rabbi.
Yes, okay.
Because sometimes I need to avoid the noise from outside. But that could be borer. I don't know.
Oh, wow, that's an amazing question. So
thank you, Rabbi.
Thank you very much. That's it. So let me explain the question. So somebody is suffering from the noise from outside. Sometimes, like if you have where we live, it's I always like wonder. Like there's a subway, and the subway they call subway. But it's not, in some parts it's subway, but sometimes it's on the top. It's much cheaper to have it like on these columns, on metal columns. And it's actually like, it's very, very noisy. It's from 150 years ago. I don't know how, like maybe more, right? And it's like maybe, I don't know, like 20 feet from the windows of the people. People live there. Like how do they live there? I do not know. Even at night, the subway like goes like the whole night. It's very interesting, right? So these people, I don't know how do they sleep, but some people are very sensitive. A sensitive person would go crazy, would die there, right? So the question is, if you're allowed to put these earmuffs, like not headphones like for music, but just shut off the noise. Some people were very sensitive, and I know a few people like that. So other people would not understand, but they hear all of the sharp noises. It's killing them. Like it's something they explain, like something scratches inside their head. That's terrible, right? So the question is, right, if you put this earmuffs, right? Is it going to be the separation? So borer is separating bad from good, right? So the classic example would be what? Would be cluster of grapes. So you have you bought the cluster of grapes, you wash them before Shabbos, right? Don't use strainer on Shabbos. It's forbidden. If you watch Melachos, last Friday we released, right? So strainer is forbidden. So you wash before Shabbos, and then you put it on a plate, and you see two grapes are spoiled. So you're not allowed to remove these grapes. That would be borer. It would be separation, bad from good. So so the question was asked. Maybe if I put these earmuffs, it's going to be separation. Something I would separate something bad meaning noise from outside or from neighbors. I don't know. All right, from neighbors upstairs or the downstairs, all crazy people. They play music. They have no life, right? They smoke and crack, and that's what they do all life, right? And you have to suffer. So the question is it going to be borer? No, it's not going to be borer. Borer is actually only with something physical, not something like in this kind. Okay. Yes,
thank you,
well, that's very interesting.
Amazing.
Yes. So, all right, very good question.